Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. Hey guys, I'm here with an updated unboxing of the Printed Mint candle in the glass mugs. As you guys know, before when I did my unboxing, my candle was just a tad melted, and then I used white ink on the glass mug, and later on in the video I did tell you guys that you cannot use white ink. Shout out to the awesome people at Printed Mint who decided to reprint my mug with the black logo, and also they reshipped a new candle. Right now they have holiday scents that are available. I made sure that I got cinnamon stick so that I can smell it and tell you guys how at least one of the holiday scents smell before you can put it up in your store. I got my package last night. I guess it got delivered at the wrong house, but lovely one of my neighbors dropped it off on my porch. You see on the front, it has the fragile sign because we have glass in here. As you guys know, with Printed Mint, you can do the white labeling. This is why you see my business sticker on the side. Then for my business, for anyone who orders something for my product, I use Printed Mint. They get the black crinkle paper with their package. I hope this does not hit my mic. I'm gonna move some of that out of the way, and of course we have bubble wrap because we have two glass products. All right, I'm gonna open this one first, and it's probably okay. It's the glass mug. Here it is, and an eco-friendly rest. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Look at that. That's the glass mug, small business owner on both sides. And if you guys remember, here is the glass mug when I did white. Please make sure you're using a dark ink and black to create your mug for Printed Mint. You don't want this to happen to you. Here is the mug. Love it. It looks really good. Now I'm gonna go inside and get the candle. They package things really well. It was bubble wrap, also wrapped with paper. I'm gonna unroll the candle. And I didn't change the label, even though I got a different scent. I did not change the label. Again, it says small business owner, smells like money, but this is cinnamon stick. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like Christmas. Oh, money, Christmas, Capricorn season, money. And as you can see, there's no spaces. Of course, in the cooler months, the candles don't melt. The weather has cooled down. Again, remember, sometimes your candle can melt in the hotter summer months, but it smells divine. I'm almost out of my birthday cake one. I will be lighting this one soon. The smell is really good. It smells up the whole room. I'm very impressed. I'm happy. I'm happy with the Printed Mint candles. I'm happy that I can provide candles for my business without sitting here and making them. And shout out to everyone who does make candles, but because I am a print on demand business and that is my motto, I want to be able to provide a choice like this for you to have a candle business without having to pour. It's packaged with love, and I'm excited to continue on using the candles for our business. I do use candles for another one of my print on demand business, and they sell really fast. I was so bummed when they went out of stock with a lot of the scents, and a lot of things went on back order, but now they're back with vanilla and some holiday scents. I think it's like holly bolly, Christmas tree, and cinnamon stick, and of course vanilla. So make sure you always keep up to date with what they have in stock. They have a tab on their website with resources and product alerts. It tells you new products, products that are on out of stock, discontinued, and on back order. Make sure you're always aware when you're using a print on demand site. Sign up for their newsletters. Make sure you update things in your store with the correct quantities. You never get into a bind. I did have to refund a few people in one of my stores because the scents kind of went out, you know, just like that. They were there 1 minute and then gone the next. I did provide, hey, do you want this scent? Do you want this scent? But of course I was sad that lavender just seemed like it never came back in stock either. But that is one of the cons to print on demand business. Sometimes things go away. That was your best seller, and that's just how the cookie crumbles. But again, I'm so blessed to be able to have a reprint of my candle and the mugs. Shout out to you guys at Print and Make. And also thank you so much for featuring me on your Instagram. I really truly appreciate it. And I'm going to continue to create content for you all to learn more about these print-on-demand sites, and I hope you enjoy this unboxing. I hope you're enjoying my content, and I love you more than I love this video. Peace.